my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. How are you? In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Hedera Hashgraph HBAR. So first of all we talk about the next target of Hedera Hashgraph and what's the next target of Hedera Hashgraph, what's change occur in Hedera Hashgraph, and what is the currently price of Hedera. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel friend, to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates about cryptocurrency market friends. Now friends, if we look the price of the Hedera Hashgraph, so the price is about 0.3248473 USD dollar is the current price of the Hedera Hashgraph, and the change occur in Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, and the last 1 week change is positive. That's clear that the last 1 day change is negative. Sorry, last 1 week change is negative. So the last 1 day change is positive. That's mean that the Hedera Hashgraph start pumping from the last 1 day friends. That is why the last 1 day and the last 1 hour change is positive friends. So now let's see for more details. Let's check it out. The last 1 hour price prediction, what's the change goes at this time in Hedera Hashgraph. Oh my god, oh my god, as you can see here, very bad change occur at this time in Hedera Hashgraph. I think again the funding of the Hedera Hashgraph starts now friends. Negative 0.66% change occur in the last 1 hour friends, and the high price is about 0.3223 USD dollar is the current price high price of Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 hour friends. Now friends, if we look the current price in the cryptocurrency market of Hedera Hashgraph, so the current price of Hedera in the cryptocurrency market is about 0.3175 USD dollar is the current price of Hedera Hashgraph friends. As you can see here, now the absolutely falling period of Hedera Hashgraph starts now from this time. As you can see here, they are continuously falls down friends, and now they are very fastly falls down friends. Now let's check it out the technical analysis, and let's try to detect the next target of Hedera Hashgraph friends. Oh my god, as you can see here, a quick falls occur in Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 hour. As you can see here on the line, and the candle represent the falls of the Hedera Hashgraph. So as you can see here, if we look the technical analysis, so the technical analysis is about that is a support level and that is a resistance level, for example. So they continue as travel between these two lines. As you can see here, falls after falls take a jump, and as you can see here, a quick falls occur in Hedera Hashgraph. That's mean that the very badly falls of Hedera Hashgraph starts now friends. After this falls again, another candle, as you can see here, the next change is about this same like that. Another candle as in this position falls down, and another as in this position, same like that change occur in Hedera Hashgraph, as you can see here. So the continuously falls of the Hedera Hashgraph, I think at this time starts now friends. What's your opinion about Hedera Hashgraph? I think 70% chances to they falls down and 30% chances to they move upper friends. Please share your opinion in the kindly in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.